Hey friends, I'm going to share with you my all-time favorite grits recipe. They're fabulous and everyone loves them and they could not be easier. I'm going to show you the ingredients and then I'm just going to show you how you make them. Okay, you're going to start with your grits. I love McEwen & Sons. I always choose white grits if there's a choice between white and yellow, but you can use either. You're going to have Gruyere cheese. That is one of the things that makes this so wonderful. Gruyere is a sharp, nutty flavor. And then you're going to have a quart of milk. A quart is 4 cups, and there's 1 egg, and then there's Parmesan, and then you're going to have real butter. Now the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pour your milk into a pan. This is a green pan. A green pan will not stick, but if you have a pan that's prone to sticking, spray the inside with some pound. Then you're going to add your grits and your butter. Now I like to cut my butter just where it will melt more quickly. You're going to turn it up, bring this to a boil until it gets thick like oatmeal. After about 5 minutes, it starts getting close to being done, so you really want to keep stirring at this point. Okay, as you can see, we're getting really close. You want to add the egg and immediately start stirring, because if you pour raw egg on top of a hot mixture and you don't stir it in quickly, it will cook. You'll have a fried egg on top of the grits. So this is about the consistency that you want it to get to. And now we're going to pour in the egg and very, very quickly stir. Now we're going to add the Gruyere, okay? So when you get all the Gruyere cheese mixed in, then you're gonna put this in whatever pan you choose. Okay, then we've got the Parmesan. And there you have it. These grits are fabulous. They go beautifully with filet mignon, with beef tenderloin, with any meat, with any meal. If you want the exact recipe, just visit Family Savvy and Google Gruyere grits.